Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, are you have a struggle to balance your studies, assignment and free time? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I am going to share 3 tips to master your time management as a student. So let's get started. Okay, the first is create a schedule. Have you ever feel like you don't have enough time in the day when you want to do many things? You feel tired and thinks that 24 hours is not enough. If you ever feel this way, then creating a daily schedule is so important because it's a way to organize your time from one activities to another. By creating a daily schedule, you can make your life more structured, reduce your stress, and increase free time. Okay. The second is set a goal. Without goals, it's hard to determine if you're not on the right track or if you need to make adjustments. Thanks to a goal setting, you can stay focused and consistent in achieving your desired result. This is why goals are so important to guide you toward success. Okay, the third is find a study buddy. A study buddy can help you stay accountable and keep you motivated. They can also help you understand difficult concepts and prepare for your exams. When choosing a study buddy, it is so important to find someone who matches your learning style and who shares the goal. By following these tips, you can improve your time management skill, become a more successful student. So, those were my top 3 tips to master time management as a student. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. If you found this tip helpful, please like, comment, and share to your friend and your family. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Okay, this is all for me. See you next time.